Fitbit face-off. Sense 2 versus Versa 4. Which smartwatch reigns supreme? When it comes to fitness smartwatches, Fitbit is a name that leverages tiles and complications to easily access your stats. However, with two of its latest models, the Fitbit Sense 2 and Versa 4 offer similar features. It can be hard to choose between them. Here are some similarities and differences in both of these watches that will help you choose which one's the best. Design and display. Fitbit Sense 2 and Versa 4, both of the smartwatches are equipped with the same sleek design that features a squarish circle watch face and a bright 1.58-inch AMOLED touchscreen. Both of the watches are lightweight, comfortable, and have a single physical button on the left side. The Sense 2 comes in 3 different case varieties, while the Versa 4 offers 4 health and fitness features. This is the feature where Fitbit Sense 2 and Versa 4 differ from each other. The Sense 2 offers advanced health monitoring features, including an ECG sensor, stress monitoring, and skin temperature tracking. The Versa 4, on the other hand, has more basic fitness tracking features such as GPS, heart rate monitoring, and activity tracking. Smartwatch features. Both of the smartwatches offer a similar set of features, such as the support for Alexa, on-wrist calling, Google Wallet, Google Maps, and YouTube Music. However, neither device can store music for offline listening, nor do they have access to third-party apps. Pricing of Fitbit Sense 2 and Fitbit Versa 4. The Fitbit Sense 2 and Versa 4 are now available for purchase at $249 and $199 respectively. The former on sale at $163.93, while the latter can be had for $125.45. Either way, customers will receive a 6-month free subscription to Fitbit Premium, which turns on advanced features such as access to personalized training sessions and more granular sleep analysis data.